Welcome to Belt Conveyor Guarding's Ladder Guard Overview video. Belt Conveyor Guarding's new innovative ladder guards restrict unwanted access to fixed ladders. Our ladder guards are easily installed in seconds by one person and are shipped fully assembled, ready for install in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Loosen and lower the bottom hook plate. Step 2. Position the ladder so the integrated upper hook plates are on the desired ladder rung. And step 3. Raise the lower hook plate so that it's tight to the closest ladder rung. Then tighten the hardware. For applications that require a lock, install the padlock hasp from the rear of the ladder and apply the padlock. Please note padlocks are not included with the guard. Standard ladder guards weigh less than 40 pounds and include weight labels so that workers know how much they are lifting. Every ladder guard includes rubber-coated handles for improved ergonomics and signage that alerts workers of potential danger. Standard ladder guards are made from mild steel and powder-coated yellow for high visibility and long-lasting durability. They're also available in aluminum and stainless steel. Remember, stay away, stay safe.